In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Steam Workshop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up Steam. Then from here, we need to make sure to log in and then click onto Community. In Community, click onto Workshop. Now inside Steam's Workshop. So Steam Workshop is a platform that allows users to browse, download and share mods, maps and other custom content for Steam games. Now to find your game's workshop, so you can use the search bar here where it says browse all workshops, search for workshop and find the game you want. Click on the game to open its workshop. And then from there you can browse through the available mods, maps or items inside that game. Click on an item you want. Click subscribe button. This will automatically download the mod. And now to enable mods in your game, what you need to do from here is go ahead and click onto library and then right click your game and then go ahead and click onto properties. And then on the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. We want to click onto installed files. Now, if you got workshop items here, it will say browse workshop items. You can unsubscribe from mods you no longer want. You can also create and upload your own content. So some games provide a modding tool to create content. You can also upload your creations through the game's workshop page.